guys, welcome back to Let's Cook That. I just finished recording a video of mac and cheese, which I hope you guys go and check it out. We'll leave it at the end of this video that it's very easy and delicious. And right now we're going to go ahead and make some chocolate pumpkin muffins, which are lighter, healthier way to satisfy your sweet tooth. So since I already had the oven on, I said, why not make them if I had the ingredients? They're two simple ingredients. So let's get started with those ingredients. So all you're gonna need for these muffins is a box of your cake mix, Devil's Food cake mix chocolate, very yummy, and 1 can of your pumpkin, 100% pure pumpkin. That's all we're gonna use. And if you want a little extra, go ahead and add some chocolate chips, but that is optional if you want it. Just like this, tastes great. If you want your little chocolate chips in there, go ahead and add some. So let's get started. So let's go ahead and add our cake mix. I should have cut it a little bit bigger. So now we're gonna go ahead and add our pumpkin can, which it's 15 ounces. And now, not adding anything else, no water, no egg, no nothing. Let's start with. So now that we're done blending it, let's go ahead and remove these. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use these paper cupcake cups to put it in the oven. If you don't have them or you don't want to use them, go ahead and just spray pan your baking cupcake sheet and you put it in there, and that's it. So let's go ahead and take this out. So let's go ahead and put our batter. Okay, so we got a total of 16 of our cupcakes, and I'm gonna go ahead and put them in the oven to 400 degrees for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we're gonna insert a toothpick. If it comes out clear, that means they're done. But keep in mind, if you add your chocolate chips and you happen to put the toothpick where the chocolate chips at, you're gonna have that melted chocolate chip in there. So let's go ahead and put it in the oven and we'll check in 15 minutes. So it's been 15 minutes and this is done. Let's let it cool down a little bit and then we'll try them. They look so cute, you guys. Alrighty, so these are all done. You can already imagine how it smells amazing with the chocolate. So now let's go ahead and taste this, which I like this one. It looks so cute the way it is, and I can see a chocolate chip right there. So let's go ahead and take a bite. And hopefully you guys like this video, and don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so. And this is so good. Ooh, look. Very good. It's nice and moisty. It's not dry, you guys. I guarantee it's not dry. This is so good I could finish the whole thing. But once again, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on Let's Cook That.